Hello, my name is Jubilee and I'm a face painter based in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. And I'm really sad because I haven't been able to do any face painting due to the lockdown. But I'm really excited because I've actually just received the biggest order of face paint ever and I'm going to be unboxing it, which is so exciting. Um, so, so here's the box. Oh, where is really and yeah, it's a huge blessing. Um, it's about 1,000 Australian dollars worth of face paint, which is incredible. So I'm really excited to open this and to show you all what's inside. So if you're keen to see an unboxing of some Fusion face paint, then keep watching. So this is very exciting. So here's my box, and it does look a bit dinged. You can see over here it got a bit damaged. Looks like either something landed on top of here and made a big hole, or I don't know, maybe it was opened at customs or something. So yeah, that is a little bit worrying. I'm hoping that there isn't any damaged goods inside. But yeah, it's actually amazing that they've managed to fit all the face paint that I ordered in this box. I was quite surprised when I saw the size of the box. I thought it would need to be bigger for the amount of paint. But yeah, it seems to be good other than this hole here. So I'm just going to open it up. Ew. We did ask the guy to make sure that he packed it really well, because when things come to South Africa they do tend to get a bit damaged in transit. People aren't as careful when it gets to our border. So now let's see what we got. Whoa, look at all that! This is really exciting. Okay, so, oh my word, look at all this. I ordered doubles of stuff because I took this opportunity to put together more than one kit. The colors look absolutely amazing. Look at this one. Oh, that looks so good. There's so much. Ooh, that's so pretty. That's like a pearly one. It's very cool. Can't wait to try all of them. This is also pearly. It's like a pearlescent, shimmery pink. This is also pearly white. So all of them seem to be in good condition. I'm glad that the packaging didn't break. Sometimes what I've had before with some other face paint brands is the lids actually crack when they're in travel. So they seem to have handled the trip quite well. Oh my word, I'm not gonna have enough space on it. So these are all the silver, gold. I can put all my pearly ones here. Oh, I've got some really nice lime green. Here's another gold. Lovely red. And here's all my black. So I go through quite a lot of black, so I ordered a lot of black. And I think these are the Lumo ones, if I understand. Yeah, this is the special effects. You can see they're really bright. That's really cool. So it does say UV on here, so that's exciting. Really keen to try these ones out. And ooh, this green is like emerald. I think that's the same as that. Or is this? Oh, this is pearl mint green. Doesn't really look like what it said on the showed on the website, but it still looks pretty. So I'm gonna put that with the pearlies. This green though, that looks really nice, and this green is like really beautiful. It's like an emeraldy viridian almost color. So that's very exciting. Oh, here's some more neons. You can see the luminous colors. So these are all my Lumo colors. Just some normal bright yellow. That's very bright. It almost looks Lumo as well. That's really cool. I'm black. I'm sorted with black. Actually, the reason why I got so many black cakes is because I love to work with a half white, half black split cake. So I bought extra black and extra white so that I can make my own. So that's why I've got so many. I think these are brown. They're really dark though. Warm brown, chocolatey color. It looks lovely. A bit darker than I thought, but still very, very nice. I think this color is catching my eye though, this magenta. Keen to try them all out. This is a magic dark blue. It looks almost black to me. That looks very, very dark. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like on skin. Oh, that's pretty. This is a pearlescent magenta. Oh, check this blue. Really got it on my fingers. And we've got some more pearlescent. Got a magic peacock pearlescent color. That's beautiful. We've got a pearl winter blue. That'll be very nice for a frozen theme. I think my favorite are these pearlescent ones. They look amazing. And this is a pearl mermaid green. It's all shiny. And this is a white, just a normal prime white. All the white ones here as well. So this is a pro paraffin white, which is different to the prime white. But I don't know what the difference is, so I need to test those two. What I'm seeing now is I've got these huge split cakes. Huge cakes. This is awesome. This is 90 grams. You can actually feel it's quite heavy compared to this, which is the, I think it's 32 grams. Yeah, so this is 32 grams, so it's very light. And this is 90 grams, and you can feel the weight. So I've got a lot of white paint here that is going to last me a really long time, which I'm very excited about. It's like, that is a lot of paint. That is a lot of paint. This is so exciting. And I've got lots of petal sponges, which is great. So this is so awesome. So I've got enough paint here and sponges to actually create two different full kits, which is amazing. So now I can have another face painter working with me, and we can each have our own kit. So I'm going to put these aside because there's still more in the box. So can you believe it? There's so much paint. And this here is also a pearly color. It's a pearly juicy orange. This will look amazing for a tiger. A pearly, shiny, shimmery tiger. I think that is going to be absolutely amazing to use. I mean, look at these. Cannot wait to try these ones out. I think they're going to be absolutely amazing. So I better do a tutorial with all of these colors and show you how they look on skin. I've never worked with the pearlescent colors before, so this is going to be a super exciting thing to try. So what I've got here is some split cakes, which look absolutely amazing. This is a neon one, so that's going to be UV, so under UV light it's going to shine beautifully, glow in the dark. These ones are just a normal rainbow. It's Leanne's rainbow, so that's going to be nice to try. Let me open this and see the colors. They look really great. Oh, wait, I've got so many split cakes. So let's see what I've got here. Wow, some of these look absolutely amazing. So I've got doubles of some things. These are ones that I use a lot for kids' parties and events and things. So I wanted 2 of each so that I could use them for when I've got another face painter with me. I've got 2 rainbows, 2 wild berries, which is lovely for princesses. You can see those colors are so lovely. I've got 2 Amazon ones, which is so nice to use for leaves and dinosaurs and snakes and all sorts of things like that. And this one is Frozen Queen, so this is perfect for a Frozen party if I'm going to do Elsa, an Elsa princess. It's really great. And then I've got 2 neon ones. And then these ones are special ones. Just like my special pearly ones, I've now decided to get special split cakes. So this is stuff that I would use for very special birthdays and different types of special designs. And they look absolutely amazing online, so I cannot wait to try them out. So let's see. I want to open all these and see what they look like. Look at those colors. Wow! This is from Leanne's collection. And this one's called Berry Butterfly. It looks beautiful. Oh. And this one is Leanne's Tropical Butterfly. And look at that. Wow. That looks amazing. It's got some shimmery ones in there as well. And this one is called Sea Creatures. It's really, really pretty. And this one is also Leanne's collection. It's Leanne's Island Girl. That looks like it's got some neon colors in it, which looks really great. This one is called Fairy Critters. So it's browns, and that'll be lovely to make a cat or, yeah, just fairy little creatures. This is also Leanne's collection. It's called Leanne's Flower Fairy. Ooh, that is so pretty. I cannot wait. This one here is called Rich Orchid. That is going to be beautiful to make flowers with. And some split cake flowers. This one is Tink. Tinkerbell. That'll be really beautiful to use some fairies and things. And this is also Leanne's collection, and this one is called Leanne's Princess. So this is quite similar to this one. It's just got a streak of brighter pink in it. So yes, these are all the split cakes, and I cannot wait to do some amazing designs with these. It's going to add to my collection of split cakes, and I'm sure I'm going to be able to make some really beautiful designs. This is so exciting. What a cool unboxing, and there's actually still some more, so these are Leanne's collection. These are some palettes by Leanne, and they look absolutely amazing. These are the same as these, so I'll just open these ones. And this one is called Leanne's Butterfly Palette. So these are specifically for butterflies. And they look absolutely amazing. This is called Mermaids and Unicorns. Woo! They look so amazing. Wow. Oh, this is popped out and it doesn't want to pop back in again. But these colors look so good. I'm sure they're going to pop out on a kid's face. So this is really cool. I can't wait to try these all out. And I'm definitely going to be putting some tutorials up. And I'll do a review on the paint when I get the chance. So keep an eye out for that. From what I can see and just see like it is now, it looks absolutely amazing. I think the thing I'm most excited to try out are the pearly colors and the neon colors. And also I can't wait to test out their different whites, the Prime White and the Pro. It'll be really interesting to see the difference between the two. And these heavy duty full box whites look absolutely incredible. Thanks for watching my unpacking unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll give you a review on Fusion Paint, tell you what I think about it. But this is just a massive blessing, and I'm so excited to try it out, and hopefully when lockdown ends I can use it for some birthday parties and see some joyful kitties' faces again.